Professor Liu is going to teach you part 2 of the rock, paper, scissors game, part 2. In part 1, we were able to get a number from the user, and we validate the number has to be 1, 2, or 3. If the user enter other number, will block the program until the user enter the correct number. Then the part 2, we are going to get the number from the computers and display the number. And at this moment, we're going to continue the program right now. So we have the user's input. We get number right here. We enter it and seeing we already have that. Now we are going to come here to do this integer. We are going to get, let me see, let's get computer num, okay? Alright, so let's get computer num. Alright, in order to get computer num, so first let's do this right now. In order to get computer num, I have to srun. And I'm going to use current time as my because I have to random these numbers. Okay, so as soon as I get this computer number out right now, so I need to get this number. This will be returned. Let me see. I'm going to return the number here. That will be remember, we're going to lower the range is lower bound plus, okay, that will be ran mod by, and this will be upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. Alright, so that's a formula. Remember that? So we are going to get these as lower bound. So let's do this right now. So we're going to return and follow exactly like this. Okay, lower bound is 1, right? And we're going to do what? Ran and mod by, all right, is 3 minus 1 plus 1. All right, I know you will say, oh, it's no brainer. Why need you do minus 1 plus 1? But we just want you to follow the formula. Okay, so once they get these computer number right now, okay, so we are coming right here. Okay, so get the number you entered. Okay, then we are going to say this. Okay, oh, I need to get computer right here, comma, computer num. It's okay, so I got computer right now, and I'm going to say computer num. Okay, equal to get computer num. It's okay. So we're going to get that. Then we are going to see out the number computer select is, all right, and which is computer num. All right, so we're going to make sure we get this part all right. Okay, so let's run it right now. So we build it. And we start without debugging. All right, so enter, let's do, okay, 6. It will block until you So I say, okay, I'm going to do, paper 2. All right, the number user entered is 2. The number computer entered is 1. All right, so far okay right now. Now, all right, so at this moment, we are going to make this a little bit, make a little bit, because I know one is rock and this and that, but we are going to make it say rock instead of. So I'm going to come right here. Okay, so these, I'm going to put the constant variable, like we show you constant variable. That will be, I'm going to put right here. Okay, that, no, sorry, not here. Okay, I'm going to put right here. So this is constant variables. Okay, we say const integer. Okay, then I'm going to say this rock. Okay, remember this is a variable, const has to be all uppercase 1. Okay, then and equal 2. Okay, then equal 3. All right, so now I have a constant variable here, and it's called rock equal 1 and paper equal 2, scissor equal 3. Okay, so right now we are coming to here right now. So first of all, seeing here, and we are going to modify here. Okay, I'm going to modify here, return, that is fine here. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the computer here. All right, so first fix the computer, and let's go back to the user. Okay, let's fix the computer right now. So I am going to come right here. Okay, so sorry, I'm going to something called something. Let me go display number. Okay, let me go right here, Okay, so I need to display number. So it's void. Oh, sorry. Display. Let me go say display numbers. Okay. Okay, display numbers, and instead of say 1, 2, 3, I'm going to say that rock, scissor, paper, something like that. Okay, and I'm going to take integer num here. Okay. All right, so once I have that, let's create this right now. Okay. So right here, I'm going to create this number right now. Okay, so here I am going to do this. Remember one is rock, right? So we are going to say if num equal 1, is that right? So if num equal 1, and we're going to see out see out rock. Okay, then else see out hold on, so sorry, I need to do else if. Okay, else if. Okay, so else if num equal 2. Okay, and then you're going to say this will be paper. Oh. All right, then the last one. Okay, CL will be scissor. All right, scissors. Okay, that's fine right now. All right, so you're going to do the display num like this way. Okay, so we already have this, and that's coming back right here to fix. Okay, so the users the number users enter. Okay, 我们 going to say user entered. All right, user enter, and let me put in uppercase here. Then I'm going to say here, instead of that, I'm going to say display number and put user num. Okay. All right, we're going to do like that. Okay, let me see what CL user entered. This is okay. We are going to do this right now. Because we cannot do like that. It has to be return something. Is that right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Okay. I'm going to do this. Let me say user entered. I'm just temporary like this. Okay. And and display num. Okay. And okay, so I'm going to do like user entered. Then I'm going to come here is see all the computer entered, right? And I'm going to get rid of these, and I also do this display okay. Okay, so hold on, let me have these right now. Then in order to make this a little bit nicer, I probably need to do CL end of line first. Okay, so I'm going to whatever you're getting, I'll CL and line, so that way make it clear. Okay, so now we are coming back right now. User enter this. Okay, then computer enter this. That's running right now. So build it and start without debugging. All right, so I enter 1. I got rock. Okay, all right, user enter rock. The number computer select is paper. We need to make a little bit a lot nice. Okay, all right, so let me see the user input. All right, all right, so I am going to say this. Okay, the user enter, at least we need to here space here, and this end of line should go to right here. Okay, give us space right here. Okay, give us space right here, space right here, and space right here. It's okay. And CL end of line right here. Okay, so let me double check, is this better right now? Let me double check. Okay, so build it and start without debugging. All right, so if I use rock, all right, user enter rock, the number computer select is paper. All right, so still not good. I'm going to do like this. Computer select. Okay, where's that thing go? Right here. Okay, then say computer select. Computer select, put like this. Okay, like this. All right, so let me do one more time. So build it and start without debugging. All right, so let's do one, rock, okay? And user enter rock. Let me do user select rock, okay? Computer select scissor. Okay, so far we are okay right now. I am going to use user select. Okay, so make it a little bit nicer. Okay, so right now user select, let me do 3. And so user select scissor. This time computer also select scissors. All right, so this is your part 2 of this rock paper scissor program. We have a user's input and also have a computer input right now. So I hope you like this program.